If you have completed your degree or BTech in 2024 or 25 and are looking for a software job, then join the Code Gyan 100 Days course and get the job. Namaste, welcome to SumanTV. In these days, many people are scratching their heads because they do not know where to hide the money that has increased in their income. Especially, from a common woman to a businessman earning crores of rupees, there is only one question that is bothering everyone: where should we hide our hard-earned money? Will the rates increase if we buy real estate, or will buying gold help us in danger? Especially, the elderly who are in retirement life, is it a right decision for the youth who have started their career to put their first investment in gold? Moreover, is it profitable for women to get jewelry made? Is it profitable to buy biscuits, or should they take the risk of the share market? Today, we are with us, along with a famous financial analyst and business analyst, Sriramachandra Murthy, to find out the answers to many such interesting doubts. Let's talk to them and find out more details. Sir, hello sir, what do people with money say is better to invest in the present situation? Is it better to buy land or is it better to buy gold? What do you say, actually?
Now in 2025, these dynamics have changed. Earlier, in 2020, the range was like buying land directly, buying open land, and it worked out there. Now, by 2025, the entire real estate market will be overvalued and stagnant. So there is a chance that this will continue for the next 2 to 3 years as well. So now, if we look at short-term returns, the stock markets have been volatile for the last 2 years and have not made good returns. But gold and silver have made good returns. So, if we look at the next 2 to 3 years according to the present trend, we will take gold and silver as the second option as well as the stock market. The first option comes and we can put it in gold and silver. If we look at the major reasons for this, now the uncertain situation of gold is due to the decrease in the World Bank rate and the uncertainty in the US, and now when we look at it internationally, gold has become a safe bet due to some issues. Also, in addition, all the banks are also buying gold, so it is understood that gold investment is a bit of a right investment. If you look at the data, what is happening with gold? If we look at the last year, we see that it is 30,000 as a 1-year back execution. Sorry, it was 70,000. The 10 grams rate has now come to about 132,000, which means that there has never been such an appreciation in recent times. Even on the previous day, the 29th of October 2010, the gold rate reached 8,000 rupees. Now it is 32,000 rupees by December, which means that the product will appreciate so fast. So, the gold investment fund is giving good returns. Also, will this continue in the next future? If we look at it from an actual point of view, the value of gold will not be so high. When will it become gold? So, what are the chances of gold increasing further? Now it is 1.35%. Now in the next 1 month, there are chances of it reaching 1.40%. I can say why this uncertainty continues internationally because as a major tariff, India-US tariff has not reached a stage and an agreement has not been reached. Also, the Ukraine-Russia war has not become normal here, so the US debt will continue to trend up. Also, the value of the dollar will decrease. So if you look at all this, it means that all the currencies internationally do not trust this dollar, so all the countries are continuously buying gold and investing in some way. Also, what the banks are doing now is that they are giving loans in addition to gold and silver, so these gold coins are being bought more fiscally and gold is being invested. So, anyway, gold investment is a good asset. If you look at it, you can understand that gold plays a leading role in the asset process. S means that even after the actual cost, many people in the present situation are more inclined towards land, meaning that there are also those who think that the rates will increase more in the future. Which of these two is the best choice for those who buy on the spot now? So you are saying that gold is what gold is. It means that it gets value immediately. Suppose we have bought land now. If we want to sell it, there must be buyers from outside. It is a time-consuming process. If I buy land at a rate today, if I want to sell it again, there must be a buyer, a seller, registration, amount adjustments must be made. So all these things are easy to buy, but selling land is difficult. Similarly, gold is easy to buy and easy to sell because gold is available at any time. Even in the middle of the night, there are buyers who can buy and sell it, so liquidity can be made at any time. Similarly, land cannot be pledged, but gold can be pledged and money can be taken if desired. So gold is immediately convertible into money. Even if it is not sold, we can take it immediately by pledging partial amounts and bring it again. So another advantage of gold is that we wear ornaments, so there is an enjoyment. Similarly, now consider land. We do not have enjoyment when we use it. Gold has enjoyment, we wear it and we can feel proud, and its value increases, plus it can be converted immediately. Due to these three facilities, there is no need for large amounts. Now to buy a land, at least 30 lakhs to 40 lakhs are needed. To buy the same gold, you can buy it from 1.5 lakhs to lakhs. Since good arrangements are made, if you look at these two, this is a little benefit.
In the current situation, investing in gold is better. It is even better than land.
Gold is not that gold should never be bought at one rate. Now, it should increase by 50% here and there, and when it decreases, it should be bought again, and when it dips, it should be bought like dips. It should not be sold at one rate. It should be sold in every hike and that should be done, but at any time, it is not advisable. You should invest some amount and when it dips, you should buy again.
Right, sir. Thank you so much for allocating your valuable time with us.
Thank you, Andy.